Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your email address in Netflix and how to update your Netflix email. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account, open the Netflix app. After that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Click on Account. After that, click on netflix.com/more. Click Continue. Click on Manage Account. Here you have to log in to your account. And after that, click on View All Settings. After that, go and click on Edit Settings. And you have to click on Security. And here, as you can see, there is an option called Email. Click on it. And here, Netflix should verify that you are actually the owner of the account. So you have some options. For example, I will choose text code. Netflix will send me a text code. So this is the code that I can use. And click on Submit. And as you can see here, you have the option to, this is your current email, and you can enter the new email here and change the email linked to your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.